Hi, my name is Pablo Avila and I'm going to explain the vocabulary of travel adventure and the grammar of present perfect. Adventure travel. This is a vocabulary for unique activities that in the most of time we did on vacation. For example, go backpacking, go mountain biking, go on safari, go on a cruise, go ballani, etc. Grammar of present perfect. We use present perfect to connect past and present. There are expressions like already, just, and yet. Already is for the action that we do in the past but not recently. Just is for the action that we do recently, and yet for the action that we do not. The structure. The structure is subject to positive is subject plus have into I, you, they, we, and has to it, she, he, plus the verb in past participle. For negative is subject plus haven't or hasn't, and the verb in past participle. The question is have plus subject plus the verb in past participle. For example, I can say, I have gone on a cruise. For have an expression I can say, I have already gone on a cruise. And for doing that, the activity that I not that yet, I can say, I haven't go rafting yet.